Welcome back, everybody, to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I've been scouring the RENOGY website, finding all the best deals going on because they have some serious spring savings happening. And I think that these solar panels right here are ideal. They're bifacial, so you can get even more power than they're rated for. I think these are actually really great in portable situations, so they can be really great for camping. If you're in a hurry and just look for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You can get an additional discount on top of the discounted price. Get a good deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Just use the links in the comments or description and you can get right over here right away. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at the 320 watt monocrystalline bifacial solar panels from RENOGY. These babies are amazing. It's eligible for 30% residential clean energy credit. So if you're buying a lot of these this year, that's money back in the future when you do your taxes. And it's backed by a 25-year warranty right away, right out of the gate. These are amazing, giving you huge peace of mind moving forward. One of the most amazing things about these is 320 watt solar panels, but you can get up to 416 watts out of these because it takes in power from both sides. Very innovative design. You can get 30% more energy yield with the way that they design these. IP68 waterproof and dustproof design, 10 BB PERC half cells. These babies are very efficient. One of the most advanced and best designed solar panels that you can get right now. Bifacial energy yields up to 30% more energy. It captures sunlight from both sides of the panel, delivering that extra energy compared to traditional monofacial solar panels. This gives you extra efficiency and added power. These are some of the largest solar panels that you can get all in one. You don't have to worry about stringing multiple panels together. And this isn't the largest that they have, but it is big enough where you're going to get some serious power. Not too big where you're going to have problems with installing it. And with installing, you can ground mount this or get this on your roof. So it is very versatile in terms of installation. And one of the best things about RENOGY's solar panels, their rigid solar panels are amazingly strong. They're rigorously tested and they have endured extreme conditions for years and years. A couple of these panels right now getting beat down by an ice storm and they are handling it just no problem. So 320 watt, two pieces for $629 is a really good deal. Depending on how many of these you pick up, you get a bigger discount. Plus, you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that, or any other products from RENOGY. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to this deal while it lasts. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free if you're interested in learning more about this kind of technology and keeping up to date on the newest discounts. But make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over to these limited deals.